Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Welcome back to another video, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Dent coin. What's the current price of Dent coin? What's the price change is open in the Dent coin? And this video I will share the latest update, my friends. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now at this time the latest price of the Dent coin in the market is 0.002181 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Dent coin in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Dent coin, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, 1 week changes occurs in the Dent coin is positive, my friends. The whole changes occur in the Dent coin is positive, my friends. Completely Dent coin is now in the jumping mood. Day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, the price of the Dent coin is increasing, my friends. I really appreciate Dent coin for investment, my friends. You know what, my friends, I also told you in my many videos that please hold to the last half this month, hold to the last half this month. And you can see, my friends, today it is the ending of a month, and now, and you know, it is the whole cryptocurrencies market changes is positive, my friends. The whole cryptocurrencies market price is positive. Same like that, the Dent coin price change is also positive, my friends, and everyone getting profit from a Dent coin, my friends. I really appreciate for all of you to please invest now in a Dent coin, because the first talk is that the price of Dent coin is very low, and other thing you can see the changes of the Dent coin is positive. So why are you not investing in a Dent coin? Invest now and make profit with the Dent coin. Positive 15.84%, the change is increased, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.